Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof video for a main board for LG 34UM95 probably C or one of the families on it that was serviced on the July 1st. I will show you what was serviced. Let me see. Afterwards, after I shut it off. This is so that the customer knows. The customer said that when they received it, inputs were not working. The problem with the board was in the connector, as I will show you in a minute. And there has been a long conversation, case on PayPal and whatnot, who's got to be paying for return shipping when a board doesn't work. The usual deal that has been beaten to death on this channel for so many gazillion times. This is the board, and this is the output of the board. When it came here, I did a closer inspection. As we told the customer, we did fix the problems that were apparent with the board, and we had very little reason to expect that there would be something that was wrong anywhere else. There was something that was wrong somewhere else, and it was caused by a screwdriver being inserted under the heatsink and worked again as shown many times. That small resistor here was missing, and probably that was the reason why the HDMIs were not working. I didn't test the board before we restored it. As soon as I saw that one of the plastic, I don't know, rivets, I don't know what is that called, has been bent on the back side. I'm gonna turn that off to show you something. Okay, that is turned off. As soon as I saw that one of them was unusually pressed on the back, I realized this heatsink has been taken off, and I know that we didn't take it out because there was no need to. Customer will be able to see that this is their board, mostly because of the restoration work that was done. This was badly damaged when it was there was a big hole in one of those. I think it was this one, so we had to do some craft working. But what I'm talking about can be seen here. This is this one. You can see how it's bent sideways. Actually, we'll open that more when I take the board out, because yeah, it's not even blocking properly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out. This is what you can see, and you can see how it is. Let's focus here. Because it's broken, so I'm going to replace it. So otherwise it will be always twisting to one side and possibly escaping. So I'm gonna get a different one. But when you see that on the back, I didn't see that. Usually it's just pressed in to a point where it doesn't make a good contact, and it sits unusual. I didn't see that it was broken before, so I'm going to replace it this time. Restore that resistor. There was a bunch of ripped off capacitors there as well. Fix those. It does have HDMI now. I am not able at this time to check the display port or Thunderbolts, but I'm going to send it back as it is. And as it turned out, even though we didn't fix it completely the first time, I believe the board has arrived in a bad condition to begin with, and it is our mistake that we didn't see it. But if we had seen it, then the terms of the deal would have been different. And again, it illustrates once more, why is it fair for us and customers to split shipping costs regardless of the reason? Because right now it turned out that the very original reason why the board had multiple defects, and some of them were natural failure, and some of them were very purely user inflicted. And the customer doesn't deny that. And it's not a matter of pointing finger or denying or not. It is a matter of setting a policy and justifying that policy. And the policy says that if the board has to be returned here for whatever reason, customer pays for shipping to us and we pay for shipping back. And this is not fair, because sometimes it will be us that may have screwed up something, and sometimes it may be the customer. But it puts It splits responsibility and it defines the solution to the problem in a way that is independent from either side to have the saying so as to who should pay, because of course every side would prefer that the other side pays. And so now we'll be returning a board that was damaged originally and was not covered by our advertising. The repair that had to be done on both sides was not covered under our advertising. So we are the ones that will end up losing money here. And still, I am absolutely positively 100% sure there will be the next time when somebody will be raising hell, sure enough, disputing with a bank, with PayPal, with eBay, whatever it is, about why should they be paying for return shipping. It is what it is. Think about it, read about it up front. This is what is fair, and that's how it's got to be. The rest is just proper planning and, of course, careful inspection, which we didn't do on the first time that board came, and this is on us. Well, thank you, and have a good day.